Hi everybody, it's Miss Patty. I'm gonna make microwave popcorn for you today. Not only is it a snack you get to eat after you're done making it, but it's also a sensory experience. So while we're making it, I want you to listen with your ears so you can hear the popping. And if you make it at home, I want you to smell it. Okay, so it's a very sensory experience. And then when you're eating it, you can feel it. You can feel how bumpy it is. So we're making Pop Secret. Some students did a group activity where we watched a video at school about the best microwave popcorns. I will link that in the video below. But for now, I'm going to open up this new box of Pop Secret. Okay, and this one is butter. Oh, extra butter. Okay, hear that crinkling? There's 3 packages in there. And we have our microwave package, and it's wrapped in plastic. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, don't put the plastic in the microwave. Now the instructions are on the back, and it says to microwave and listen. Listen with your ears. Listen for popping to slow down. The bag will be done in less than 4 minutes, but your microwave popcorn might be different, so you have to read the instructions, okay? So we're gonna put it in the microwave now. Okay, so I'm gonna take it off my little stand here. Oops, can't reach. Okay, putting it in the microwave. Close it up. And Sean is gonna help me because he's done this before. There's a popcorn setting. And then what do you do, Sean?
You hit start.
Hit start. All right. And we're gonna, 6 minutes.
No,
It's not. It's not gonna be 6 minutes?
no, because it says the timer. There's 45 seconds.
So you can hear, ooh, look at me glow. You can hear it. You can hear the microwave going. Oh, I don't think it started. Did it start? Oh, it is. It's moving in there. I just got a new microwave, so I don't actually know very well how to use it. Oh, and then you can see me in my reflection. See? You can see you too, Sean. He's hiding. Okay, see it turning in there? Sean, you let me know when you can smell it. Turning. And now we are going to start listening for the popping. And Sean is going to get to eat this popcorn, so he is anxious to eat it. He wanted a snack, and he picked microwave popcorn. All right, do you see that bag? It's starting to puff up a little bit. Okay. Hey, I hope you're all enjoying this crazy weather we're having. Isn't it crazy? Snowing on March 22nd? All right. Oh. Sean told me, he heard it. Did you hear it? The microwave is popping. Well, the popcorn is popping. Hey. Oh, Sean, can you get a bowl so we can pour it out into a bowl? And you want to make sure that you only let it pop until you hear the popping stop. There it is. Look at the bag is getting bigger. Now you can hear the bowl. Ooh, it sure smells good. Okay. I wish you were here so you can smell it. It smells so good in there. In this house. Hear it popping? We're not burning it, right, Sean? I don't smell any burning. What did you do it
when
last time?
stops popping a lot.
It's really accurate.
Okay.
Okay, let's stop
No,
it.
yeah.
Because we heard no more popping and we don't want to burn it. There we go. Oh, heard one more pop. Okay. He is. Oh, here, let's take it out.
And it's not opening.
I'm gonna turn this. Oh, hi guys. I can't turn it. Okay, he's gonna open it up. And see the steam? He's pouring it in. Whoa, look how yellow it is. Look at how shiny the butter is. Ooh, that looks delicious. I wish you could smell it, but if you make some at home, make sure you use your nose for smelling, your ears for hearing the popping, your mouth for tasting. Oh, you can also hear something else. Sean, come closer. Sean, come closer. Here. Oh, I hear you crunching. Awesome. All right, everybody, have a good day. Bye-bye.